Today we're diving into the 2026 Fiat Motorhome that's been modified into the ultimate luxury experience on wheels. This isn't just a camper, it's a rolling statement of style, comfort, and innovation. Fiat's base platform has always been known for practicality and efficiency, but this 2026 custom build takes things to an entirely new level. Let's start with the exterior. From a distance, it retains that iconic Fiat silhouette, but as you get closer, the modifications are impossible to miss. It's got a widened body kit with sleek integrated storage compartments, custom alloy wheels designed for both aesthetics and rugged terrain, and full LED lighting that wraps around the vehicle with a futuristic glow. The paint finish is a premium satin metallic, giving it a modern, stealthy vibe. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a luxury suite. The cabin is wrapped in fine Italian leather with hand-stitched accents, a minimalist layout with ambient lighting and full smart home integration. Think touch panel lighting, climate zones, and voice-activated functions for everything from the blinds to the entertainment system. There's a 65-inch OLED TV that folds down from the ceiling, a surround sound system, and even a compact electric fireplace that adds a warm, high-end lounge feel. The kitchen area is fully equipped with induction cooking, a built-in espresso machine, and a smart refrigerator that suggests recipes based on what's inside. The bathroom is something you'd expect in a boutique hotel, with a rainfall shower, marble finishes, and a Japanese-style smart toilet. Performance-wise, Fiat kept things efficient and silent with a hybrid electric-diesel setup. The 2026 version includes regenerative braking, solar charging capability on the roof, and a battery pack that gives you up to 600 kilometers of range on electric alone. On the road, it's smooth, quiet, and packed with advanced driver assistance systems like lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera views. One of the standout features is the modular design. The seating can transform into a dining area or a double bed at the press of a button. There's also a pop-out section on the side of the van that expands the living space, perfect for longer stays or entertaining guests. What makes this build special is the balance between luxury and practicality. You're not sacrificing function for style. It's all seamlessly integrated. Whether you're doing a cross-country road trip or parked at a scenic spot for a weekend getaway, the 2026 Fiat Motorhome modified for ultimate luxury is redefining what modern van life can look like. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of future-forward vehicles like this one. Let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most.